Hello, my name is Thomas Norton, and I work in the Educational Technology Department at BJU Press. Today I want to show you a tool called Classroomscreen. This is their homepage. You go to classroomscreen.com and you'll see this. And to get started, you'll click the blue button down here that says Launch Now. Classroomscreen is a landing page that's designed to be projected on the board for your students to see. So as we get it open here, you'll see a nice background and a bunch of tools along the bottom. I want to show you just how to use a few of these tools and hope that it can help you out. First tool I want to show you is down here in the bottom left. It's the background tool. So when you open this up, you'll see a bunch of different pictures that you can use as your background. And as you scroll down, you'll see there's even some that are colors down here. Or if you'd like, there's an option to upload your own picture in the top right. I'm going to pick the mountains here as my background. The next tool I want to show you is called work symbols. So down towards the middle is this button called work symbols. If you click on it, it will give you some work symbols that you can project for your students to show them what they should be doing at the moment. So maybe right now, I have had my students come in. I want them to come in quietly and get their work together and get ready for the day. So I might have the silence work symbol up. But now maybe I've asked them a question and I want them to discuss with each other what they should be doing or that question. So I might change it to the Ask Neighbor button here. Also with all of these widgets, if you click on them and click on this little arrow on the bottom right of them, you can resize them and make them bigger or smaller as needed. Now, maybe I want them to only work together for a certain amount of time, say 2 minutes or so. Just to the right there is the timer tool. So I can click that and open it up. And I can set that timer to 2 minutes. If you click play, it will count down for them. Now that we've finished our discussion, I'm going to call on a student and going to have them tell me what they discussed with their neighbor. So to do that, I'm going to use the random name tool. So down here on the left, click the random name tool. This will allow me to select a random student out of my class list. You'll notice when you open it up, it has this little screen because it doesn't have your class list yet. So if you hit the gear icon that says Open Settings, it will give you a place to put in your students. I'm going to paste in my student list here and click Continue. Now, what this tool does is if I click the shuffle button, will give me a random student. So now Larry is the student I'm going to call on and have him tell me, what did you and your partner discuss about this question? Another feature about this random name generator, if you click on the gear icon up here, go back to settings. Down here on the third line, it says remember, and what this tool does is it remembers who's been chosen and won't choose them again until the whole list has been used. So you can turn that off if you like, or if that's what you would like for your class to have, you can leave that tool on. Okay, one more tool I'd like to show you. Perhaps when you have your students come in, you want them to go to a website or go watch a video or take a survey when they first come in. And you may want to put that up as a QR code. So to the right here of that random name generator, you'll see the QR code tool. And you can pull that open and just put the website that you'd like your students to go to here. If you have it open, you can copy and paste it into this field, or if you just know the address, you can type it in. I'm going to type in bjupress.com and click Generate QR. This will quickly create a QR code that you can project for your students to scan and go to that website. So this is just a brief overview of Classroomscreen.com. There are a bunch more tools down here if you click the more widgets. I suggest you take a little bit of time if you'd like and look at what's here, see if it can be useful for you. I hope that this is helpful, and I can't wait to see how you use this in your classroom.